Put the fresh chili/peppers on the picking belt, and manually remove the chili/peppers and sundries with unqualified quality or color to ensure the quality. The picked chili/peppers are transported to the bubble washing machine, and they are continuously rolled under the dual action of water flow and air bubbles, and the soil and debris are quickly cleaned.
Use a crusher to break them into small particles, and then go to the next step to grind into sauce. Also, it will be smoother when feeding to grinder.
Through the high-speed rotation, shearing and grinding of the stator and rotor, the chili peppers are ground into finely divided chili sauce. Pour chili/peppers sauce into the jacketed cooking pot, then add water, minced and other accessories according to different taste and shape requirements. Cooking time is about 20 to 30 minutes, and the temperature is recommended to be 90 to 95 Celsius. After cooking, the chili/filling volume can be adjusted depending on your requirements. Put the bottled chili/peppers sauce into the blanching machine.